In today's class, we will see 9th Mathematics Number System exercise number 1.1 question number 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We have to find 6 numbers. So, we write here 6 plus 1, that is 7. We can write 3 as 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Multiply 3 with 7. 7 by 7. Likewise, here also we multiply with 7. Multiply 3 into 7 is 21. 1 into 7 is 7. 4 into 7 is 28. 1 into 7 is 7. The 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are, write numbers between 21 to 28. That is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 numbers are rational numbers between 3 and 4. Thanks for watching.